Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and make a video right here on my 2006 Toyota Sienna, and looks like we're gonna get to the spare tire. So this is the front seat here. This is the behind the front seat. You're gonna lift up your mat. Then you're gonna see this is gonna be shut. It's gonna blend in. Then you're gonna lift that up. Then you're gonna see a bolt there. Then you're gonna go to the rear on the passenger side, and you're gonna get the crowbar where your jack is. You're gonna get your crowbar and you're gonna go back. Then you're gonna get your crowbar and go counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Alright, so right under that bolt, we're gonna go under. You see the spare tire there. It says you go counterclockwise, that's gonna drop to the floor. See, now it's on the floor. You see the string there? The metal wiring came down and it dropped it. Alright, and then you just toggle with the center and it will release.